Bună ziua, good morning everyone, and thanks for being here to launch this very important day. The conference, as we all understand, has generated quite a big interest with about 200 people. I see a few people from maib as well joining the conference. And I'd like to thank FinTech Moldova for organizing such a very important, such important event. We at maib believe that the future of the banking, of course it is digital, but moreover, it is whereby the successful banks partner with successful fintech or high-tech companies, and only this successful partnership will be successful as a result. Therefore, there are so many things that we launched during the strategy refreshed period. There are so many things that we will be launching in the future, but all the things are aligned to find the right partners, to partner with them so that the two partner together deliver more value than the combined values of them separately. Last year we started very important transformation into digital and into agile institution. And the ones that know this transformation from being traditional bank into more agile institution know that instead of very hierarchical, bureaucratic, risk-averse traditional organization, we want to build the organization whereby the small teams feel like in fintech, feel like in startup, they have power to take decisions, they have instruments to take these decisions, they have courage to take decisions. Maybe they can take mistakes as well, but they can very quickly find these mistakes, fix them, and move on. So the concept of agile is to enable fast innovation, enable the small teams to feel like they are part of startup. And you may heard this concept of two pizzas, or the team which is small enough so that they can be as a startup or as a family. This transformation is going extremely well, and then even when we compare ourselves to the industry leaders, we are seeing the first results are very comparable and competitive. Last year we finished the transformation first phase for our retail and SME organization, and this year we are going through the transformation of corporate branches, call center, and the certain part of the operations. So that the vision is that entire bank will work this way. This is the first foundation or enabler in the banks for digital transformation. And last year we already started to see first results of this transformation. Our mobile banking users grew by 50% last year. Our transactions grew by more than 100%. 55% of our deposits are opened from mobile banking. 20% of our loans are dispersed from mobile banking. Daily users, monthly users numbers, you can benchmark our numbers. They are very competitive to the best of the industry standards, at least in this region. And in this region we already see Revolut in Romania, we see Monobank in Ukraine, so they are the ones that are competing to the best in the world. So we are going through this very important transformation. Not only we transform our, let's say, traditional mobile banking or traditional digital banking services, but also we launch the ecosystems where the buyers meet sellers in automobiles, in housing, in agricultural products, and so on. There are so many things that we are doing. people from MIB will be presenting, but the key is to tell you that the route we have chosen, the vision we have is partnership, is digital, is finding the best partners in fintech and high-tech industry, so that the eventual product is this synergy, which is again much better than the sum of the products of the three players. Once again, I'd like to thank you. I'd like to thank FinTech Moldova community for organizing such an important and beautiful event. And I wish you to have a very successful, productive day today. Thank you.